Welcome to another tutorial from Nedo Mr. channel. At the end of today's video, you will be able to do the pocket you're seeing on your screen right now. Please consider clicking the like, share and subscribe button if you find the content of this video a value-added one. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. This is the interfacing we are going to be using, and because I want a pocket of height 1.75, that is 1/3, I will divide my tape into half and mark. Now I am marking at 0.875, that is 3/4 and a line, which is the half of 1.75. Then I connect my dots. Because I want the curve of my design to start at a point that is lower than the height of the pocket, so I will be marking at 1.125, that is 1 inch and a line. Remember I said 1 line on your tape rule is equivalent to 0.125 inch. Now I'll mark the midpoint, and I want the width of my pocket to be 4 inch. Now I am marking again the half of the height of the pocket, that is 0.875, 3/4 and a line. I'll mark again the midpoint, and from that point I mark the width of my pocket, which is 4 inch. Now putting both together, you are going to see that the interval between them is 1.75, 1/3, which is the required height of the pocket. Now I'm going to cut the pocket bag. You have to make sure that your pocket bag is at least 2 inch wide than the width of the pocket. So I'm cutting pocket bag of width 6.5. Now I'm going to stitch on my curve. Link to this design is available in the description box below. Now I'm going to glue my pocket bag to my fabric with Emi gum. I want the depth of my pocket from the neck to be 6 inch. Now I'm going to notch at the four ends of my stitch. You are to ensure that your notching did not exceed your stitch. So you have to be very careful with your scissors. Now, as you can see, the four ends have been notched. Wet it and press. Now, with your hemming gum, give partial support to these two small fabrics. Now I'm going to stitch it at its ends. Then you stitch round. Then overlock it.